Donald Trump wants special counsel held in contempt of allegedly violating stay in January 6 case. Lawyers for former President Donald Trump have asked a judge overseeing his federal election interference case to hold special counsel Jack Smith and members of his team in contempt of court for what they are claim are violations of the current stay of the case as the appeal process plays out. In a filing Thursday, Trump lawyers argued that the special counsel continued to file briefs and produce discovery to defense while the case is on hold is just a tactic to use this case platform to advance President Joe Biden political talking points. U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan last month agreed to Trump's request to stay proceeding in the case while the appeal process plays out. Smith team opposed an all-out stay, saying that they felt certain filing could still move forward to keep the case on track for its March 4 trial date. In the Thursday filing, Trump lawyers say that the special counsel believe that only deadline in the case are currently stay and not the filing of the paper is false. To remedy this outrageous conduct, the court should issue an order to show cause why the prosecutor should not be held in contempt, required to immediately withdraw their MIL and improper protections, forbidden from submitting any further filings or production absent, the court expressed. The court expressed permission while the stay order is in effect and assess monetary sanctions in the amount of President Trump reasonable attorney fees and expenses incurred in responding to the prosecutor's improper production and filings. Trump attorney wrote in the filing, in related development, Trump is planning to attend next week's appeals court argument on his efforts to dismiss the case based on his claim for presidential immunity. Multiple sources familiar with matter tell the sources the plans are not set in stone and could shift source. Trump attending arguments will mark the first time he has been to the federal courthouse in Washington, D.C. since the arraignment back in August. Arguments are scheduled to occur 3 days after the 3-year anniversary of the January 6 attack on the U.S. Capitol, which sits just blocks away from the courthouse. As the campaign calendar gets into full swing, sources close to the former president say they expect the primaries and the court appearance to start colliding. Trump has expressed a strong desire to attend the closing argument in a New York Attorney General $250 million fraud civil suit at the end of the next week, sources say.